Good morning, students. So now start area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Suppose ABC a triangle. ABC. A vertex coordinate suppose x1 y1, coordinate of B suppose x2 y2, and coordinate of C suppose x3 y3. Then area of triangle already know in class 10th. Area of triangle, since area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 absolute value of x1 into space is less here, area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 absolute value of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 माइनस y2. आप ये ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हो क्लास 10th में, 11th also. So this is the area of a triangle. Now if bracket open, then 1 by 2, if bracket open, then absolute value of x1 y2 minus or this value can also written, or now find the value of determinant of x1 y1 1, x1 y1 third point 1, second point coordinate x2 y2 1, and third is x3 y3 and 1. Now check that what is the value of this determinant. Check that. So now expand it along C1. C1 के long expand कर रहे हैं. So first write sign and starting from plus, that is sign be plus, this becomes minus, this is plus. Sign alternate, जिस कॉलम या रो के लॉन्ग एक्सपेंड कर रहे हो उसके लॉन्ग साइन होगा अल्टरनेट. सो एक्सपेंड अलॉन्ग C1. अब क्यों एक्सपेंड कर रहे हो अलॉन्ग C1? क्योंकि यह जो एलिमेंट देख रहे हैं x2 x3 जो ब्रैकेट के बाहर हैं, दिस इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ x1. सो अब x1 के लॉन्ग एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इक्वल टू x1 इंटू x1, तो x1 का कॉलम और रो को हटा दें. सो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट इज y2 1, y3 सॉरी x1 का कॉलम हटा दिए, रो भी हटा दिए, तो y2 1 एंड y3 1. देन साइन माइनस x2 का रो हटा दें, कॉलम भी हटा दें. क्या एलिमेंट बच गया? सो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स आर y1 1 एंड y3 1. नाउ राइट x3 का आप रो हटा दें, x3 का कॉलम भी हटा दें. क्या एलिमेंट बच गया? सो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट y1 1 एंड y2 1. नाउ एक्सपेंड दिस डिटर्मिनेंट, that is cross multiply. Find cross multiply. So x1, this is equal to x1 cross multiply, that is y2 minus y3 minus x2, here y1 minus y3 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Check that this value here, this element same x1 into y2 minus y3, second is sign here plus, so taking minus here, so this equal to x1 y2 minus y3, taking minus sign common, so becomes plus, then x2 into y3 minus y1, this term becomes positive and this becomes negative, and plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So all are same. This is the second term and this one is the third term, all are same. So half of this, so this is the value of determinant of this, that is, this is the value of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. This is the value of determinant value and this is the absolute value. So absolute value of, therefore absolute value of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1, this is determinant and this one is the absolute value. These are determinant and this one is the absolute value. So this equal to absolute value of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, same as, and this is the value. Now multiply by 1 by 2 or divided by 2 on both sides. So here divide by 2, here also divided by 2. Then this term is the area of a triangle, same as this is the area of a triangle. So put value half absolute value of this. This is the value of area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half absolute value of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. This is determinant value and this is absolute value. So this is the formula of area of a triangle, half absolute value of determinant. And some examples. Now example number 17. Example number 17. Example number 17. Example 17 is, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Area of triangle, suppose triangle ABC and vertex coordinate given 3 8 and B coordinate minus 4 2 and C coordinate 5 1. Find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle del is equal to, use formula, since formula is 1 by 2 absolute value of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula. So suppose this point is x1 y1, second point x2 y2 and this one is x3 y3. This one suppose x1 y1, this is x2 y2 and this one is x3 y3. So put all the values. So this equal to 1 by 2 x1, what is x1? 3. So 3 into y2, what is y2? 2 minus y3, y3 is 1 plus x2, what is x2? Minus 4. So write here minus 4, y3, this is y3, 1 minus y1, y1 is 8 plus x3, x3 is 5, y1, what is y1? 8 minus y2, what is y2? 2. Now simplify it. This equal to 1 by 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 into 1, 3, minus 7, multiply, plus 28, here 6 into 5 plus 30. Add it. So 1 by 2, this is 31, that is 61. So area is 61 by 2 unit square. This is the area of a triangle ABC. So simply use formula and put the values. Now example number 18. Now start example number 18. Example number 18. Example number 18. 18 is find the equation of the line joining the point A given 1 3 and B given 0 0 using determinants, and find K if DK is a point such that area of triangle given. First question is find the equation of a line passing through given 2 point. 2 point given, and for equation of a line, suppose first point, that is other point, is a general point. So suppose P is a general point whose coordinate is xy. Then find the equation of a line joining this. So for equation of line, since area of triangle is 1 by 2 x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 is y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. Suppose if point A lie on BC, if point A lie on BC, so area becomes 0. If point A lie on BC, therefore area is equal to 0. That is, so point BAC is a collinear. That is B, A and C are collinear. Because point A lie on BC, then point BAC collinear. When points are collinear, then area be 0, and area be 0, that is this value be 0. So half mod of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. This half taking right side, mod also taking right side. This imply x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is the condition when 3 points are collinear. So here 2 points given, and find the area of a triangle. Find the equation of a line. 2 point given. Now example number 18. Start here example number 18. So solution of example number 18. 2 point given, A and B given. A coordinate is 1 3 and coordinate of B is 0 0. Suppose P any point which lie on AB, then APB is a collinear, then this is equal to 0. So this is the condition for a collinear point. So let P xy be any point on AB. So therefore APB is collinear. Then this is the condition for collinear. So therefore x1 y2 minus y3 प्लस x2 इंटू y3 माइनस y1 प्लस x3 इंटू y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the condition. Now put the values. So suppose this point is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this one is x3 y3. So x1, what is x1? 1. y2, what is y2? y2 is y. This point is x1 y1, second point x2 y2, third point x3 y3. So y2 that is here y minus y3 is 0 plus x2, what is x2? X into y3, what is y3? 0 minus y1 that is 3 plus x3, what is x3? 0. So 0 into y1 minus y2, y1 is 3 minus y2 is y is equal to 0. So this term is 0. So y minus 3x is equal to 0. This is the equation of a line using this determinant method, that is this determinant method. Now find the value of k such that area ABD is equal to 3 square meter. ABD, point of A given 1 3, point of B given 0 0 and point of D given K0, and area ABD is equal to given 3 square unit. So use formula area of triangle. So half formula is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 3. Put all the values. 1 by 2 x1, this point suppose x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is one x3 y3. आप कहीं से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, इसको ही मान सकते हो x1 y1. तो यह पॉइंट सपोज कि x1 y1, सो x1 इज k, y2 इज 3 माइनस y3 0, x2 इज 1, y3 0, y1 also 0, x3 0, y1 is 0 and y2 is 3 is equal to 3. This 2 taking right side. So this absolute value of 3k 0, this also 0. So absolute value of 3k is equal to 6. Therefore 3k is equal to plus minus 6. यदि आप absolute sign हटाओगे then sign becomes plus minus. So k is equal to plus minus 2. So this is the value. So now exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3. All questions are very easy. So this is a homework. आप इसे लगा लोगे. Okay.